Brothers Bistro, Hot Bites, bringing you tips to ensure your success.
Hi, I'm Skinny Kenny.
I'm Musclehead Kev, and we're the Klar brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro.
That's right. We got time for a hot bite, baby.
What are we going to talk about today?
Well, we're going to tell our viewers, because we've been getting some questions about what makes up our recipes. How do we decide
what we make?
What a good recipe is? What do you think?
I think it's, well, is it a little bit of a lean?
Yeah.
And then a green?
That's right, that's right. We call it a lean and green. We're not the ones that made that up, but it's a nice little rhymey thing that describes what we do. And we like to get 5 to 7 ounces of lean protein.
And 1.5 to 3 cups of a green vegetable, whether it's
right.
leafy or dense.
Right.
It doesn't. It matters a little bit, but basically, right. You know, between 1.5 and 3 cups of a vegetable,
yeah.
and a lean protein. So it's really just how Mom used to have us eat, right?
That's right.
Not all the extra zero nutritional benefit carbs and that kind of thing, right?
Stay away from the potatoes and the mashed potatoes and the pasta and that kind of thing.
You love those tortilla chips.
Well, I love those tortilla chips. We all love those tortilla chips. That's the problem. We all love those. And normally they're the cheapest thing that's on the plate in a restaurant. So they give you a pile of these things that are no nutritional value, and you're missing out on the stuff that really is going to fuel your body.
Or if you're a firefighter, they'll put a 18 or 32 ounce piece of meat on there, and they'll call that your meat. That'll be your lean. Well,
Woo!
It's way less than that. It's 5, 6, or 7 ounces.
Right.
It's
right.
a lot less than that.
So for instance, let's walk them through the protein part. So 7 ounces of shrimp. That's a super lean protein.
That's right.
6 ounces of a white chicken meat, like a chicken breast.
Right.
Right. 5 ounces
steak.
Of your fave, a lean steak.
But only 5 ounces.
5 ounces.
You can't have 15 ounces.
That's it.
Right?
And then, like you were saying, the vegetables, you get 3 servings, and if you're going to have a dense vegetable like...
well, we're doing zucchini tonight.
And cauliflower and broccoli would fall in the same category.
We could have a salad. We could have like a cucumber or tomato or something like that.
You get 3 servings, and each serving is a half a cup.
That's right.
Right. And then if you're going to have a leafy vegetable, the servings
are 1 cup.
1 cup. And that includes like romaine lettuce, iceberg lettuce, kale, any of the leafy vegetables, and you get 3, and then you can mix and match.
Right. So if you want to do a salad with some more dense stuff in it and some other stuff, or if you want to do broccoli and cucumber, broccoli and cauliflower on the side, you can do that. So you can have a little bit of this and a little bit of that.
Let's say, for instance, a cup of romaine lettuce.
Right.
Half a cup of broccoli and half a cup of cauliflower.
Right. And so the plate would look like that 9-ounce plate would look like, small portion of protein, and the other 2/3 of the plate would really be those vegetables, whether they were leafy or otherwise. And that's just a general rule. So when they talk about that 9-inch plate, it really is true. It's the portion size, and then it's the choices that really kill you.
So if you have questions about this and want to find out more, we would love to help you. You could fill out a free health assessment. We would love to chat with you. No pressure. We just want to help you get healthy.
It's all found on klarhealth.com, just like our last name says.
That's right.
You can look at a scroll of a bunch of the people that we've helped. You can see a short video on the program that we offer, and of course, fill out a free health assessment, and we'd be sure to talk to you in person.
That's right. We're ready to go. What are you waiting for?
That's right. So come on, come all. And with that, I think Brothers Bistro is out.